Hi guys, welcome back to CantoHousewife.
Today we're making a delicious silky Vitasoy Black Sesame pudding. This Hong Kong-inspired treat is rich, nutty, and incredibly easy to prepare. Perfect for any occasion, so let's get started. This is the ingredient list and it will yield 3 cups. In a saucepan, pour in 1 box of Vitasoy and warm it over low heat. Be careful not to let it boil. We just want it gently heated. Next, add 2 tablespoons of black sesame paste and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir continuously until everything is completely blended and smooth. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of gelatin powder in 1.5 tablespoons of hot water. Turn off the heat and add in the dissolved gelatin and vanilla extract. Pour the mixture in 2 to 3 ramekins or dessert cup. Then refrigerate it for at least 3 to 4 hours until it's fully set. Once it's set, you can eat it straight from the ramekin. The texture is so light, creamy, and it melts in your mouth. With that deep black sesame flavor balanced perfectly by the Vitasoy milk. Alright, that's it for today's video. Make sure you check out all my Hong Kong inspired recipe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!